Limiting where the camera can go means that the player won't see outside of your level bounds, or wherever you'd like to limit the camera to. Let's make sure we're editing our camera script, because that's now where we're doing all of our camera stuff. Let's go to looks, and under camera boundaries, we want set camera X minimum and set camera X maximum. We want these two blocks. And we can also change the X to Y. So we have X minimum and Y minimum, X maximum and Y maximum. And what that means is how far the camera can go left and how far the camera can go up. And then the maximum X and Y is how far the camera can go to the right and how far the camera can go down. So when the camera is created, let's set some limits on it. Let's make the X and Y minimum 0 and the X and Y maximum, let's try making those 2000. And we'll talk a little bit about how we can figure out where to put that in a sec. So you'll notice now that I've put the minimums to 0 for the camera Y position and the camera X position, I now can't see it's now impossible for the camera to go any further than there, which is at 0, 0 in my level. We can see these coordinates there, 0x and 0y is right up in that corner. Now, the positioning of the camera is based on the top left part of the camera. So if we go down to this part of the level, we could set our maximum x to something like 1400 and our maximum y to something like 1000. And we could go and test that out just by temporarily moving one of our characters down to here. And let's see how that works. Oops, now I need to go edit. Now I need to go and edit the camera script and make sure that y maximum was 1400, the x maximum was 1400, and the y maximum was 1000. Let me just double check those numbers. 1400 and 1000. Let's see what that looks like. So this is as far as the camera will go. I think I might make this 900 and a little bit further to the left. So let's try 1200, 900. And if I were to go to add more to my level, I would need to remember to go and change my camera limits. So maybe that needs to be 1000. So I found that with the way that I've drawn my level, limits of 1050 for the X maximum for the camera and 1000 for the Y maximum, cut off at just about the right places. But you could always tweak these numbers, especially if you were to go add more to your level outside of these areas.